Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford Escape SE. Under the hood we have a 1.6-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in gray, looks great. You do also have your bug deflector up front there with your lights and your fog lights hanging out down there. And coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle, we do have our Continental brand tires with the 17-inch rims. They look great, lots of tread left on them. You also have your mirrors right there as well. They are heated. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we got the Escape, the SE EcoBoost badging, as well as the Ford. Then you got your backup camera there. It is an automatic open, so you just got to press the button, and it does open right up for us. Now back here we do have lots and lots of room. We got this guy to cover it up in case we did want to keep the things that we have safe. We got some storage over here. You also have your spare tire just underneath there in case you did ever need it. Got our keys here. One press to lock. We got two presses to unlock all the doors. Panic button, and that one does open up the back. Now, if it's unlocked, let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here and here. You got your handle here and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. You do have the leather seats, very, very comfortable. They are electric, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our on, daytime running lights, low beams, and fog lights there, as well as our auto. And then our in-cabin light control here. And then up here we got the controls over the turning signal and our high beams. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us our speed, as well as we do have all sorts of different information like our distance till empty, trip odometer, trip timer, instant fuel, average fuel, then back to our speedometer. We can switch that around to our different trips, as well as our info and our settings. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here. Down here you have your cruise control options, horn in the center, and your options for your Bluetooth, as well as your skip and volume up and down. Then you got your windshield wiper controls right there. In the center we do have our touchscreen display. Looks great. You do have your phone options up here. You have your where are you right there, your GPS and whatnot. Then you do also have your radio right here, so you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and an AV plug-in. Then you got your climate control right over here as well. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You do also have your backup camera when you do shift into reverse, keeping you nice and safe. Then down here you got your tuner, your source, your eject, hazard lights, volume up and down with the power, seek and sound, CD players just up there. And then down here in the climate control, we got the dual climate system as well. We do have our power up and down, our defrosts, AC, where it's going to blow out of, and our circulation. Then you do have your button there to open up the back. Gear shift is right here. You do also have your heated seat control right here and a plug-in. You got your parking brake. You got some cup holders there. Then you do have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You do have your SD card, USB, and the AV plugins in there as well. And then you do have your glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. Lots of room in there. And then up top you do have your sunglass holder right there. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, another handle here, control over your windows, and some storage down here. Looks great back here as well. The leather seats are very comfortable. You can fold these guys down. You got your armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold the seat down just right here. And this guy does lean down like that. And then you do have extra room in the back. And there's our 1.6-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2015 Ford Escape SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.